So Deanne has asked, is it common to hear referred stomach or bowel sounds when listening to a chest? This can confuse findings. Yeah, absolutely. So as you're particularly in the lower back, you know, there's some overlap between the ribs. Even at the front, actually, there's some overlap between the ribs and the upper abdomen there. Yeah, you can hear some bowel sounds, but bowel sounds are quite distinctive. They don't sound like lung sounds. Bowel sounds are much more of a gurgly, kind of poppy, blubber, blubber, blubber type sound. So you don't tend to necessarily hear. You won't hear those in the lungs. So that's how I tend to differentiate lung sounds. As you kind of get to hear them and you can experience, you will be able to differentiate between them both. Again, listening to bowel sounds regularly and getting to know what they sound like are the best way to be able to differentiate.